How to remove deleted videos from YouTube playlist. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove deleted videos from YouTube playlist. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged into your account and you have your playlists ready. Now to view your playlist, what you'll actually need to do is just head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you do that, you'll find the playlist section. All you have to now do is just tap on view all, and now you should be able to see the list of your playlists. Now, if you want to remove the deleted videos from a specific YouTube playlist, all you have to do is open up that very playlist. So select this playlist. I'll just tap on the replay playlist on mine, and there you'll find this options. Now all you have to do is just locate the deleted videos. So here select the deleted videos. Now since none of the videos are deleted from my playlist, I'll just show you the way you can do, delete the videos. Now all you have to do to remove that video from the playlist is tap on the three dots right besides the deleted video, and there you'll find an option to remove from the playlist. There you will see the name of the playlist and the option to remove it. Now select the remove from playlist option, and then that video will get removed. And that's basically how you remove deleted videos as well. And let me do that again. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner of that very video. Tap on remove from replay, that is remove from playlist, and it should get removed. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.